Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Another beautiful day. Finally got some beautiful weather. Cool down to 65. We're up to 90s last week. Anyway, we're doing that house over there. We're gonna be doing 6K style gutter, 3x4 downspouts with clean outs and max flows. Our machine is set to 5-inch gutter right now, so we're gonna take the lids off. Got a garbage truck over there. They're working. So anyway, we're gonna switch the machine. Basically, we're gonna take the covers off and switch the rollers, make a bigger gutter. So let's get that done first, and then we'll get back to doing the house. All right, so first thing we gotta do is remove the covers. Because I have a box truck, I don't bolt them down. So here, I gotta just unbolt this real quick. And we're gonna raise it up to 6-inch, right about there. Takes about 10 minutes. Some rollers over here I gotta remove and move them out. Switch some rollers here. So it comes out right here. There's 2 locations. And then, yeah, we're gonna unscrew it and get it done. Right, got the machine switched over, got the coil in here. So that's the bigger 6-inch style gutter. Took about 10 minutes. I went ahead and greased everything and cleaned up the rollers one more time so they're nice and shiny. And we're gonna do that house right over there. All right, so we're gonna put 6K gutters, lots of needles, lots of leaves. So we're gonna have large outlets on this. They got a new roof, and I noticed this little letter here, so. I gotta open it and see. I guess this was for the neighbors. Why do roofers make so much noise? So, I don't know. Do you guys know? Why do roofers make so much noise? Okay, where's the answer? Oh, not on this side? Oh.
No, it's right there.
Oh, this is the answer?
Yeah.
They just have to vent. Oh, like put vents on top of the roof?
I guess, I don't know.
Oh, no, they're just...
They're venting. I don't know. It's
What about this one?
Try to read it.
How do trees feel in the spring?
I don't know. How do they feel?
I don't know. How do the trees
Where
feel in
does
the
it
spring?
say? Does it say the answer?
Oh, they spring up. Right?
I don't think that's right.
What kind of car does a sheep in a swimsuit drive? Oldsmobile? I don't know. So all the answers should be here.
On this side, right?
So all the answers should be here. So let's see. So what'd you guys say about the tree? It springs up?
No, that's what you said.
Oh, that's what I said? Oh, mostly relieved.
Of what? The springs?
The trees.
The trees?
Yeah. They
Oh,
feel
most
relieved.
relieved.
Oh, that's cool.
They're relieved.
We're gonna make some noise.
Dude, you messed it up. Now you have to put it back in the same location.
We're gonna hang some gutters here today as well. But I don't know if we need to vent out or anything. We feel good, refreshed. Praise the Lord. Right, doing a heavy duty 6-inch aluminum gutter. Hidden hangers, heavy duty, max flow outlets. Look at that. All the pine cones and leaves will flush right out. Got the first gutter. It's gonna go on top of the roof right there. So the first thing I do is take measurements. You can see here, I'm gonna have an outlet in the corner. Here I made an arrow where the outlet's gonna be right here. So just so it's clear, this is how I draw the diagram. Upper gutters, lower gutters. If the downspout is on the side, I put an X. So just nice, simple diagram. And then come over here to the machine and start making them. Got the gutter in. Check out these ladder stands. They're very nice. It gets you some space away from the gutter. Max flow outlets. Look at these clean corners. Sealed nicely. Got the upper downspout installed. It used to go through the roof there before. We transferred to the side now, so. And yeah, the trees in the spring, how do they feel? They feel relieved for sure. Look at that beauty. All right, getting it installed. So let me give you a quick tour. Got all my screws and paints. All the baskets with different end caps, outlets. And then we have our own restroom here. Our own sink, washing station, napkins and soap, extra pencils, extra battery for our generator. We don't use the customer's power. We just run this. I got 14 hours left on it. Very comfortable, very nice. And we don't need to run around looking for power or restrooms. Very fast, easy, and efficient. All right, check this out. Made a custom outlet right there. Right in the corner. We have a clean out at the bottom. It's hard to see, but... And then check this out. This downspout's got plenty of clearance. So I can basically almost make it. But no max flow outlet here. So we kind of cut the elbow here. Regular. Still have a clean out right there, so that's good. Made the downspout right here. Once again, leaf trap at the bottom. So, and then the upper gutters we got done. So definitely a lot of leaves are gonna be here. So that upper downspout used to go through the roof, but now that they have a new roof, oh wow, look at that. The guys even wrapped this back up with the, so we went like this. So they patched it up right there. We wanted to use this, so we went through that way. Cleaned up this corner. We have a huge outlet with a max flow. It was a afterthought right there for this patio probably, but and then most of the water is going to go towards the street, away from the house, and it's gonna come out right there at the bottom. So very nice, very beautiful. All right, got this house done. Turned out really beautiful. Thanks for watching. God bless.